Hello, today I'm gonna show you ICM PD location on cables. As you can see, this is already the result, PRPD pattern and some pattern on the scope view. It was artificial fault because we had to insert nail somewhere in the cable on the reel because there was quite a high interference and we could not see small PDs coming from the cable. But finally, you can see on domain, it's not very high because we used our ICM flex in parallel to their existing coupling capacitors. So the sensitivity dropped because the PD current was divided into two couplers. Let's say normally those pulses would be visible much better. Now you can you can change different scans which we recorded, and you can move with all three cursors. So cursor number 2 is set more or less to the cable end. Normally you would see a better reflection from the cable end. The total length is 1501 meters, so you see the position is not very perfect, but okay, it's quite good. Now the first pulse R is this is the direct pulse coming from the PD source, should be placed on the first peak, and with the second one you can just move, and you can see it's changing the time, and the same is for the length. So position of 1 is 68 meters from the cable end, which is shown here. So the total length is like 1500 meters, and the position of the cursor here is 1427, which means it's something like 73, 78 meters, which correspond then to this 68, 70 meters. It's not very precise. If you have such a small pulses, of course, your trigger level has to be lowered to pick up those. If you put it higher, you will not see it. So this is the final result. Here you see 68 meters, but it's 68 meters from the cable end, which is shown here. And I can try to repeat it. You have to choose the pulses you recorded. Not all. If you choose all, then the memory is full and cannot be properly shown. So now you have in the independent window where you can select if you agree with this, you can select. If not, you can skip it. You can move both cursors, and you see the distance. So if you select, you can see it created one point in the location window. So it's like recording of all time domain pulses. You can record them. When you select them, you can record them into the location window to have high repetition. So again, this is some other number 2 maybe, or what's that? So I can adjust just this selection. So you see again direct pulse. This is the first reflection, second reflection. I say select. You see it's only 38 picocoulombs. Select, and it created second pulse. Again, select this, maybe skip, skip, again, select, and all selections are shown here. Select, select. So you see nice repetition in this position, which confirms you are on good page. So that's quick overview. I played whole day there with the cables. Even the PRPD confirms uh, it looks like corona discharge. Obviously, if we inserted a nail into the cable insulation, we created protrusion or sharp edge there, which should correspond then to corona like PRPD pattern. Okay, I hope it will help you in some tests if you need to do. Thank you.